Okay, let's see what happens if you start the Brain Assistant and there's an update available. It's quite simple. Once you start the Brain Assistant, you will see all the users you have, the clients. You don't need to select one right now. So you can either click on one and say set as active, or you just click next to it. Then the first one will be selected. Whenever there's an update available, and the bottom right corner it will say download update now. This update is for the entire Brain Assistant. You can always check top left if you are on the current version, or if you have a problem, then you can report what version you are using. Just press on download update now. Now you will have to press yes, because Windows will ask you if you really want to install the update. And what you see now is there will be an update window opening. So please always press yes, you want to do the update if Windows asks you if you really want to do it. Once the update is fully completed, the Brain Assistant should restart, and now we can see top left there's a new version, and we also see some new pictures here, so some new games. This doesn't have to be always this case. Sometimes it's just backgrounds actualizations, but now there's no pop-up bottom right where there's an update available. Side note, if we tell you you should try to force an update, so maybe something in the background doesn't work, then you can always go on top right, and then you see here there is an update button. This button will trigger to update the Brain Assistant itself. If we press repair, then we can also repair individual games that we have. This means if a single game is not fully updated, then we can, or there wasn't a mistake, then we can also force to try to update the game. How do we update individual games? We just press on the game itself, and here we see next to the start button, we see these circles, and it also says a pop-up update available, click to install. Let's press update. It now says updating, so right now you cannot start the game. You need to wait until the update is over. Sometimes it takes a while depending on your internet connection. So we see once the update is finished, it says start, and if I press on the game again, there it just says start. There is no update available. At this point, there's the little repair button. So what I showed you before, there's also the possibility to have a shortcut to repair this game. Don't press it if we don't tell you to, or if it's completely white, so it pops up that you need to click it, but never press it if, like right now, it is just gray.